Yeah. Welcome to my second part of Top Transportation! I'm on a 90, in first class as you can see, like all this memorabilia. I've got my first class thing now. I'm this country Rumford, I'm obviously on a 90 in first class, there's a 3-1. Oh my god, well that's fine, for no reason. We're going through the Station Arctic, which is I'm on this one to Chelmsford, then I'll be on Saturday into Braintree. I'm going to see my licence. And there's a couple of, this is Grove Park I think, because that's where the 317s are kept, and that is a 315 actually. 315s go together with 317s. What stands up to today? I've had a brilliant holiday, last day of holiday, and I'm going on a 90, and I'm getting my first class things. Not bad if you ask me. But yeah, this is part 2 of that video. Can't do very long videos today. Hang on a sec. I've still got about 40 seconds left. 40? Yeah, we're on a 19 Chelmsford. There will be a part 3 where hopefully when I go through Ingatstone and I think I've already gone through Chelmsford actually, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm in first class. I get first class upgrades, my mum doesn't. I've got a few seat reps, I've got my seat thing. This is Harold Wood at the moment, wherever that is. Thank you very much. I've come up from London on a 444. I've got one of their 444 first classes. I've